It's the lemon season. Think Amalfi lemons, Sicily and other parts of Italy. We thought we'd offer a delectable lemon cake featuring Novello. If you're out of Novello, you can use Bel Morso. We've lowered the sugar in this recipe to make it a healthier cake. Let's do it. The ingredients are 100 grams sugar, 3 eggs, 100 milliliters Novello or Bel Morso Evo, 3 lemons, 300 grams flour, 1 Bertolini, pane angeli or lievito vanigliato sachet, 3/4 cup milk. For the icing, 250 grains mascarpone cheese, 1 cup icing sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 cup fresh raspberries. Crack the eggs into a large bowl, add the sugar, and beat for 2 minutes on low, then high speed. Next, add the extra virgin olive oil and beat. Follow by adding the lemon juice, and continue beating. Now add the lievito vanigliato, i.e. Italian baking powder, and continue beating. Add the flour 100 grains at a time while beating. Add your milk and fold gently with a tablespoon. And follow by adding the lemon peel, and then fold again gently with a tablespoon. Grease the pan for your lemon cake with some extra virgin olive oil, pour the batter. And bake for 45 minutes in a preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius. Take out your lemon cake and leave to cool completely. Then remove from the pan, and transfer to a cake tray. To make the mascarpone frosting, simply add the mascarpone, icing sugar and vanilla essence in a bowl and mix. Spread the mascarpone on top roughly so as to give it that homemade organic look. To get the design as ours, use an icing spatula with a zigzag end and pass it through the spread mascarpone following a movement of the wave. Top with fresh raspberries, cut yourself a slice, and enjoy with a cup of tea.